AI tools I've been using for marketing, part 2. These tools not only save me hours, but also expands my creativity because they provide a different perspective that I didn't even consider, which leads even to more ideas. Number 1 is search. Now this is a little controversial because, for example, ChatGPT doesn't have any information past 2021, and you can't get things like financial information of a company, but it helps me get started with thoughts and ideas that I normally would have used Google, but then you have to go through all these individual websites and do a lot of research versus ChatGPT, which provides all that information, and then you can just keep refining your search. So number 2 is voiceovers. Do you have a bunch of content like ebooks, guides, white papers just lying around? You can turn them into audio versions with AI tools like WellSaid or Murf.ai. And I found that the quality and quantity of voice talent that you can search for is pretty good. And you can use it for any other videos like your brand story.
In the year 2023, Jeff Bezos, the CEO of Amazon, was looking for a way to increase sales of the company's new line of organic chicken products.
And number 3, summarizing your videos and creating podcast notes. Using ChatGPT, I can create show notes or podcast notes instantly. I can also create recap notes for any educational videos on YouTube, which would have taken me hours, but this thing can do it instantly. I know I'll be using these tools a lot more and any other tools that keep coming out. So what tools have you been using?